Pixel 4a is starting to look like the Pixel 4 device you might actually want to get, and perhaps even one of the best affordable phones of the year. Google surprised everyone in 2019 by releasing the Pixel 3a and the 3a XL, affordable versions of the Pixel 3 and 3 XL respectively. That brought some of the hardware and software of the premium devices but offered them at a more appealing price tag. Originally, we had expected to see Google introduce its next affordable devices at Google I/O 2020, but that event has now been cancelled due to concerns over the coronavirus outbreak. We've also seen a full specs leak for the Pixel 4a claiming that it will have 5.81 inches OLED panel, a mid-range Snapdragon 730 and 6 gigs of RAM and 3080 mAh of battery with 128 gigs of storage and 12.2 megapixel main camera and an 8 megapixel front facing one, and most likely a punch hole. It also retains the 3.5mm headphone port, and that will come in just black and barely blue shades. Unlike the Pixel 4, the Pixel 4a and 4 XL will not be having any facial recognition features, but it will be having a fingerprint scanner on the back instead. The Pixel 4a and the 4a XL would be dropping on the 90Hz screen that we love on the Pixel 4, and it is a really good feature to have, but I mean, if you want to cut the price, I'm sure the 90Hz screen would not be included in the Pixel 4a or the 4a XL. That being said, the 4a and the 4a XL would be including the telephoto camera from the Pixel 4, and it is a useful thing to have. I mean, I would be lying if I said that the portrait mode does not look good without the telephoto lens. And that was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. This is The Rays, and I'm signing out. Peace out.